Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make a simple 3D LED cube using 30 LEDs and Arduino. Now let's go for the components. We have LEDs, Arduino UNO and 3 1K resistors. This is a board where we have cut a 3 point This is a board where we have made 1 into 1 means 1 into 1 inch square, where we have to make holes in all of these points. I'll show you like this. I have made all the holes. Now I will put this LED. The negative side of the LED will go in the right direction and the positive side will go in the left direction, like this. All the LEDs will be arranged similarly. As you can see, the negative is in the right direction and the positive in the left direction. Now I have completed all the 3 LEDs in a linear way. Now I will turn the negative leg of all these LEDs like this, and also I will solder it. These all points will be put together and soldered. The positive points will stay up and the negative point will be like this. We have to do all like this with all the LEDs, all the 3 layers like this. This is completed now. As you can see, all of them are bent. All the negative side are bent and positive side are standing in front. After the soldering, here is the total cube which I have made. You have to be very careful with this. Now we have to connect the negative of all of these. All these 3 points, 1, 2 and 3, these all points will be connected together using a wire. Like this. I have connected a wire. This will also strengthen the circuit. Plus all the negative points are connected together. The positive are standing still and the negative are connected together. We have made these 3 and 3 of them are ready. As you can see, 1, 2 and 3. The middle one I have taken the blue LEDs and the outer 2 layers are of yellow LEDs. We have to bend these points little bit so it may connect the positive of the second layer and the second layer will be connected with the third layer. So we have to bend the outer points of these like this. these all will be connected with the other one, but the last one will remain straight. See, I will bend these now to show you how to do this. I have bent this a little bit. As you can see, the legs are bent like this. So it will connect the other layer. The positive of other layer will be connected like this. You have to solder them, you have to bend them like this, and also you have to solder it with that, the positive one. All the positive of the upper layer will be connected with the positive of the down layer. Similarly, the third layer will also be connected. See, this is done. The last layer I have not turned the legs of the last layers, and it will go into the Viro board. These are all the negative points which I am touching. Here 1, 2 and 3, and these are the positive. Our cube is ready. You have to be careful with the soldering. Now let's solder it in the breadboard, in the Viro board. Okay, now our soldering is done. We have attached all the LEDs, the cubic LED. I have soldered it in the Viro board. Plus we have attached, as you can see, 3 jumper wires from the negative of first layer. Also I have connected the negative of all layers like this. This is the first layer connected down here. Negative of third layer. Similarly, the second layer and the third layer also. I have just connected a single wire to the surface of the Viro board. Like from here 1, 2, 3. Similarly at the back right here 1, 2. This is 1, 2 and 3. I will start from the left side 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3, as you can see, I have written it also on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and similarly 7, 8, 9. These all are connected like this. And in the left side you can see 3 points, which I will connect over here. These all will be connected in series. As I have already mentioned, I have taken this is 1, 2 and 3. These are the all negative layers which I have connected from up here, from here to here, to the surface. Second is from here to here, and third is from here to here. So these 3 points 1, 2 and 3 I will attach 1K resistor. So let's attach it. Okay, in this step I have soldered all the wires from the back side also. So these are the 3 layers. This is the layer 1, this is the layer 2, this is the layer 3. Green is layer 1, blue is layer 2, and yellow is layer 3. And from here are the positive wires 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the Arduino we will connect this with pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So from 2 to 13 I will connect all the wires to Arduino. So let's connect the wires to the Arduino. Okay, as I have connected all the wires to the Arduino as shown in the diagram, let's switch on the Arduino. See, as I have switched on the Arduino, the LEDs of the cube are working properly. After uploading the code, you will see the pattern going through like this. Now don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.